Welcome to the Master Cars Pro channel. Today we'll talk about the problems and weaknesses of Kia Carens. The Carens is proving to be a tough car mechanically, and owners report that while the engines may be unrefined, they're durable and unlikely to give trouble. The rear suspension can develop a creak, but this mostly on models with 6 seats that have been filled full of people and luggage on a regular basis. So watch out for ex-private hire cars. Don't be surprised by a poor, vague gear shift action, as all Carens suffer from this. The steering is very light, so check the front wheels for curb damage, especially if alloy wheels are fitted. The interior plastics are not the most attractive and they will squeak and rattle. They should stand up to rigorous use without actually breaking. However, there's nothing fancy about the Kia Carens. It's simply a low-cost way of transporting 5 or 6 people in reasonable comfort. The 1.6, 1.8, and 2.0 liter petrol engines are not especially refined, particularly when compared with a lot of the European and Japanese competition, and the 2.0 liter turbo diesel is not the most powerful or frugal. There's also plenty of noise in the cabin courtesy of the engine, wind and road, so longer trips can be a trial of endurance. At least the cabin has plenty of space for those in the front and in 5-seat form. The rear seats have decent knee and headroom. If you choose the 6-seater, there are 3 rows of 2 seats, and the third row has limited legroom. It's also a little tricky to reach the rearmost row, so these seats are best reserved for children. Well, if you are the owner of this car, then please describe the problems that you had to face during the operation of the car. Perhaps it is your feedback that'll help viewers when choosing a car. That's it for today. Thanks everyone for attention. It isn't much work for you to subscribe to the channel. See you soon.